Gotta come down. It'd be a really nice day out if the wind wasn't blowing. Oh. Boy, every year that chainsaw gets heavier and heavier. And I'm only gonna be 53. All right, we'll turn you back on when we gotta start cutting. As I say, it is. My buddies took off running. There it is. You can see how it was dead. It was rotten. It split right in the core here. It is gonna come down later. We've got some nice kindling. I'll finish bucking this up, cut up that, and that'll be it for the day. I'll clean it up so I can get the truck by. I'm gonna cut this right to here for now. Yeah. Whoa. Another big ash dead and gone. It's sad. For those of you who don't know, the ash tree is my favorite tree. And it's really sad to see these all disappearing. The Native Americans used them since ancient times. Make baskets, all sorts of stuff, and it's sad. Beautiful, beautiful tree. There's gonna be no more. All right, everyone. I'm Pete with the PA Outdoor Experience. I'll see you on the next one.